This video will illustrate how to reset the Bluetooth module in the SmartPuck and the ZeroPuck SP. To reset your Bluetooth in the puck, begin by removing the prosthesis so you're able to hear the vacuum pump run. Slide the magnet slowly till you reach the hall switch. The puck will buzz once. Hold the magnet in that exact position without moving it for 10 long seconds. The puck will now buzz a second time. Pull the magnet away from the socket. At this point, the Bluetooth reset is complete. You will notice the puck will begin to run. Simply swipe the puck to turn off the pump. Refresh your SmartPuck app. Okay, we're going to show you how to reset a SmartPuck Bluetooth unit on the puck. This is how you'll reset the actual Bluetooth inside the puck. So the first step is going to be to locate your hall switch, which is typically just to the right of the charge port, and it's going to be slightly higher. Another good way to gauge this is looking at the screws in the bottom of your socket. The hall switch is usually in line with the bottom set screw, or 6mm screw, or with the blue screw down in the bottom of the puck. So what we'll do first is identify where that hall switch is. And the best way to do this is with your magnet. So we'll have this, and we're going to use our magnet. And the hall switch will be just in this area. So we're going to start with the magnet. It's very important to keep the magnet flush with the socket. You don't want to angle the socket or pull the magnet away. So you want a nice, good contact. And so what we're going to do is we're going to locate the hall switch, and it'll be right here. And we can swipe again. So it looks like we're about here. So to do the Bluetooth reset, we're going to take the magnet, and we're going to start by the charge port, and we're going to slowly slide the magnet till we get to the hall switch. Freeze. Notice the puck does not run when we have the magnet on it in the proper way. If we went too fast, it would run. We'll wait for the second buzz. Puck begins to run. We'll turn it off. Slowly slide the magnet to the hall switch. Wait until you hear the first buzz. Hold the magnet in that exact position for 10 long seconds. Remove the magnet as soon as you hear the second buzz. Swipe the magnet over the hall switch to turn off the pump. Your Bluetooth is now reset. And you can also go from other angles. So you can go from the back. Or you can go up from the side. And then be sure to reset your app on your phone. The SmartPuck should automatically find the Bluetooth unit. Resetting a ZeroPuck vacuum system is very similar to a SmartPuck. The main difference is that the hall switch on a ZeroPuck is actually in the bottom of the puck. So right about here is the sweet spot for that ZeroPuck. It sometimes can be here, but it's somewhere in this neighborhood. So it's important on your socket that the socket's not too thick. So what we'll do is we'll actually use a little bit heavier duty magnet. And the magnet does have a polarity. So one side works, and while the other side will not work. Locate the exact position of the hall switch by swiping the magnet over the hall switch to turn the pump on and off. Touch the magnet to the socket, slowly slide it to the position of the hall switch and wait for the first buzz. Hold the magnet in that exact position for 10 long seconds. Remove the magnet as soon as you hear the second buzz. The Bluetooth is now reset. Simply swipe the magnet over the hall switch to turn off the pump. The Hall switch can be activated from a variety of different angles. Slide the magnet across the puck to find the optimal position for the reset feature.